कैसे इस फिल्म की शुरुआत हुई वुमेन डायरीज की? जो टाइटल है अपने आप में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, तो बताइए कैसे इस वुमेन डायरीज की शुरुआत हुई?
Uh, yeah, I'm Surya, basically from Hyderabad. This is my debut film. Number of times we watch in TVs and media lot of issues from more popular Nirbhaya case after Hathras in UP, Hyderabad, Disha in Hyderabad. So we are very much affected. We are very much इट्स लाइक बहुत पैनिक हो जाता उस सीन्स देखने के समय में. सो आफ्टर आफ्टर 2-3 days another will न्यूज़ विल कम. देन सब लोग ये पूरा भूल जाता और उसका वो केस में विक्टिम्स का क्या हुआ है क्या है किसी को पता नहीं होता. वो जो हर घर में प्रॉब्लम जो है उन लोगों को भी पता हो जाएगा. सो बाद में सारा इश्यूज ऐसा ही होता. जो एक्सीडेंट, जो मर्डर, जो रेप, जो कुछ भी हुआ, चोरी है, ये कुछ भी होने दो, वो एक दिन में हाईलाइट हो जाता, बाद में दूसरा दिन में कुछ आता था, ये सब सारा भूल जाता. इसी समय में विमेन डायरीज, दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट आई wrote after this uh, Disha encounter in Hyderabad. Actually, from that day, I thought this women diaries concept. So after that, I इसको कैसे करना है, क्या क्या सोचना है, बहुत सारा डायरेक्टर्स वही इंसिडेंट को फोकस किया और बहुत ही वेब फिल्म्स भी बनाया. सम नॉन डायरेक्टर्स आल्सो टारगेटिंग दैट दिशा केस आल्सो. So after Hathras incident in UP, uh, it's a very shocking incident. So that's why after that I completely got an idea. So how to present women diaries? Okay. So I am a debut director. As a debut director, I need a some mm, to present this film. I need a senior actors, known faces. Okay, so then I approached Mugdha Godse ma'am. After that, we approached Sudha Chandranji. So after, I sent my concept. Then uh, they also accepted immediately. So without anything, this kind of story, it's definitely I have to do. So, so that's why this project will come out now.
You mentioned like this is your debut project in Bollywood. So as a debutant director, what were the challenges? What were the things that you have faced?
Yeah, definitely. I have to face lot, but my focus is completely on this project now. So, how to complete this first? This I took a challenge like this. So because anybody will see, can we do business or not? Can we release in theaters or not? This is not my primary issue. So because I just focus on my complete uh, on this project first, how to approach some these kind of Mugdha and Sudha Chandranji and 2-3 known faces also will join in this project. The talks will going on. So definitely it will be it's not like a business point of view, but it will be definitely will go to in public.
Yeah,
Then after this we'll see what happened.
yeah. So your target is like not the money, not the collection, but the message. And message should convey. Is this the message that you want to convey to the audience?
Yeah, it's not a message. No, no. So who I am to give a message? Because
Yeah,
everybody know everything.
everything.
They are now in this generation. Everybody have a lot of awareness, lot of with connect with the social media. Everything everybody knows. So who am I to give a message and all? I sincerely uh, लाइक मैं उनसे बहुत थक गया ये न्यूज़ सुन के इसको क्या है इसको पहले हमारा माइंडसेट चेंज होना वी सी ए वुमेन वी सी ए गर्ल सो पहले ऑल men's mindset should change. Okay, so this is my point of view. So this is all men's point of view. Okay, how to treat a woman, how to treat a girl, how to treat a as uh, how we treat our mother, as how we treat our sisters, how we treat our wife, how we treat our daughters. So this thing same everybody should treat other women, other girls also. This is what I want to say.
Yeah.
This is my concept. This is my view. This is my vision. So that's why I wanted to tell all these men, all in this society, all male, all. It's not a gender point, but everybody mind because आपसे कुछ बिना मर्जी से आप जेब से 100 रुपीज निकाल सकता हूँ नहीं निकाल सकता सो ऐसा बिना मर्जी से किसी के ऊपर हाथ कैसे लगा सकते हैं दैट टू वुमेन सो दिस इज द पॉइंट so this is why I want to tell the society and all this is my presentation how will people react and all this is after this we'll see
Can you give short glimpses about the movie? What story is going to be?
please come again
Yeah. So can you tell me short glimpses about the story, that how the story is going to revolve? What would be the act?
yes in these women diaries the story opens with Sudha Chandranji. She's a lawyer who always fight with against these kind of rapes victims and all. But everybody opposite to her in this society. Suppose we fight for a cause. Definitely, all people, some people against with us. So the lot of problems she faced but she collect all her energies and all she fought for these all rape victims so some incidents covering on media and TV of some victim so her assistants her junior lawyers uh, they do some discussions and all then she tell what the what the point should learn about these kind of changes mindsets so then the story opens through her these all story opens through her so she has a file of her previous victims who raped who in these all cases she opens a file then the story will starts a women's story after that Mugda's ma'am story these two story includes two story revolves this concept yeah
And this is going to be in 3 languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. So
yes
So you always
yes
follow the
actually I am basically from Hyderabad I am a Telugu person so this is a national issue it's not a national issue it's a universal issue you go anywhere you go any country or any continental see anywhere it's not Telugu people it's not Tamil people it's not Hindi people it's not Americans it's not Pakistan it's not like any other countries so everywhere women affects with men because every man thought like it's their own property so रोड पे कोई गर्ल जा रहे हैं आराम से देखते हैं हम so so we don't do like that so हमारा जो you wish her you praise her you can do anything with her concern if she's accept this, then there is no issue. Okay, so that's why I wanted to do this film at least national wide. So that's why I choose Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil. Maybe it will be, maybe we can, if there are any chances, we can dub other languages also. So India, we have to aware entire India, not like Telugu, not like Hindi, and after that entire world.
Sure.
So
The last question from my end is, it's a film which talk about talk about the rape. Don't you think we should start a process approaching state or central government to make a film tax free before it comes for the rape?
yeah, we also know that with some connections, but we are trying. If any support from government, it will be very good. Otherwise, if not, no issue. But I'll do on my way. I'll go on my way. But it should be come out.
When you taking the film on floor?
The shoot in it will take 1.5 month time for shoot, and after post production and all will complete in a month, and I'll mostly August it will be come out. As a father of two daughters and raised along with two sisters, I know the what women face when she going on the road. So that's why I felt very much. I look like how we know how to respect a woman as our family member. So that's why I more intense and more affected if I watch any this kind of news on TVs and all. So that's why. Uh, so I sincerely, I emotionally, uh, so connected and all. So that's why I need to come out this women diaries. Everybody knows the what the female pain. Yeah.